Balanced Body Pilates IQ Reformer with Wheelbarrow Wheels. If you are looking for a reformer that is studio quality yet easy to set up, then you can go along with the Balanced Body Pilates IQ Reformer with Wheelbarrow Wheels. As mentioned, this reformer is easy to set up and take down, making it easy to store in small spaces such as under the bed or in the closet. It is one of the smaller reformer machines on this list as it weighs a light 70 pounds. Due to its size and the addition of wheelbarrow wheels, it is one of the best portable Pilates reformers. The IQ reformer with wheelbarrow wheels includes top-of-the-line carriage and rails, wheelbarrow wheels for easy transport storage, 5 balanced body signature springs which are padded for comfort, 4 position foot bar that provide 9 inches of adjustment, comfortable headrest with 3 positions, and a built-in non-skid standing platform. Similar to the previous Balanced Body Reformer, this one comes with the ability to stream workout videos. Here are some pros. Easy to move due to the wheels, adjustable foot bar, built-in non-skid platform. Here are some cons. May not be suitable for certain types of workout.